What you got over here? What's this?
A game.
What game is this?
A bus game.
A bus game, huh?
Yeah.
And what do you do when you play the bus game?
You put these inside.
You put what inside? Show me.
Cook.
Yeah?
Yeah. Can we do the video, please?
And then what? What happens? What do you have to do when you play the game?
You have to get... I don't know.
What you have to do?
I don't know.
You have to get 3 in a row?
Yeah.
And who gave you that game?
Uncle Andrew.
Uncle Andrew?
No, Uncle Aldi.
Oh, Uncle Alti. And what's the other game?
Cards.
Cards? What do you have to do with the cards?
Match them together.
Match them together?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's cool. And Uncle Alti gave you that one too?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what do you think of that?
Good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Why is it good?
Because it is.
Because it is? Because you like having presents?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Can we do the video, Daddy? Can we